We've added over $1 billion in revenue in each of the last 5 years, and the teams that work on Zendesk are responsible for making sure we get it all right. It's no longer an optional platform for us, it's a mission-critical platform for us. My name is Billy Abrams. I am the president of our Distributed Products Division at Medline Industries. Medline is a $22 billion medical products distributor and manufacturer. So we distribute to most of the hospitals in the United States, and the distribution business alone today has roughly 300 users and is handling about 800,000 tickets a year. We needed to evolve from a pretty basic system that we had on board previously into something that had a lot more capabilities. So we did a pretty detailed review of the market, landed on Zendesk, and the most compelling feature to us was its flexibility. If you think about what we're really trying to achieve, we're trying to make the folks working the problem more efficient. And what we found almost instantly, we probably had about a 7% productivity enhancement just moving from the old system to the new, making sure that we were trafficking tickets properly. And now with the dashboards that we're providing to our employees, they're spending less time doing redundant things, so their quality of the job has increased. I'm pretty convinced that if we're gonna be meaningfully impactful to our customers, we need to see where folks like Zendesk is thinking.